And this one, that's my mouth, but it's dirty. So tomorrow Google eats Barney's hair because it's tangled. Yeah, and so my mommy and Ate buy some laptop again. So Ate's gonna have a iPad though. Yo, my mom gave me a tablet, but it's have a screen because it's broken. So I don't have a tablet and no using everything. So happy wala pa say and happy Mother's Day. Wala pa. Wala. So
We're waiting
like
for the we're waiting
we waiting
for the to serve.
to serve. Yeah.
Our order to serve.
Yeah, our meal. Menu. Yeah. So
What's your order?
chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah. Oh, my favorite fruit is strawberries and cherries. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye bye, guys. Bye bye, bye.